Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video that I did, we looked at the firework system that I used 2 years ago, and then you guys had wanted me to look at the internal structure of how it was built and designed, and I never got back to you, and now I'm deciding to change that, and we're gonna just make it happen. So here we go. Okay, so to take this thing apart, there's only 4 screws. There's one here, 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 and here. They're just Phillips screws, so we will take them out right now. Alright, and then we can fold the antenna down, pull up on the antenna slightly, and it kind of releases, and you got the circuitry. So then we'll leave this aside for a moment. And then you've got just an empty box. The rails that they mount on are aluminum. They're thin, but they're still pretty sturdy. So onto the actual board. Alright, so on this board, you've got the battery compartment, all your switches for each individual firing, and your group settings, and including your areas. And then you got your key and your antenna. On the back, same setup. Just have one single negative ground wire going down to a bus that just kind of chains them all together, and then for their positive leads by the yellow wire is all individually routed to their circuit board, which each one of these wires indicates a different type of cue. Then they have their LED, or sorry, no, not LED, lockout mechanism. That is wired from the battery compartment to the key and onto the circuit board. And on here, this really small, let's see if we can get this into focus. There we go. This is the receiver and transmitter for the 2.4, I think, gigahertz bandwidth. Then it has a little wire that's transferred over to this antenna on the front side. Alright, so this just kind of clips right in there. Make sure it's pushed down properly. And we can put these screws back in. Alright, and there we go. And then we'll find these keys. Here we are. And just check that it's turning on still, and if I didn't wreck a wire or a connection. Looks like they're all working, so. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Hey guys, this is Hey guys, this is Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. Why do I always want to say that?